A few years ago, humanoid robots felt like science fiction. Today, they're quietly stepping into jobs that humans have done for decades, not with announcements, not with protests, but silently. Let me show you what's already happening. In China, humanoid robots are already managing real road traffic. These robots act as traffic cops, signaling vehicles, guiding pedestrians, and assisting in busy intersections. This isn't a controlled lab demo. This is live public infrastructure. A role once trusted only to trained human officers is now being handled by a machine that doesn't tire, doesn't panic, and doesn't take breaks. And that's just the beginning. Inside BMW's manufacturing facilities, humanoid robots from Figure are already working on the factory floor. They move components, handle repetitive tasks, and operate in spaces built entirely for humans. BMW isn't experimenting for headlines. They're testing humanoids because labor shortages are real and efficiency matters more than ever. Factories weren't built for robots. So now robots are being built for factories. Before we go further, if you want real updates on humanoid robots and real-world AI, not hype, not sci-fi, make sure you're subscribed. This shift is already happening. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Humanoid robots aren't just entering industrial jobs. They're moving into service roles too. Robots like the Hobbs W1 service humanoid are already greeting people, delivering items, and assisting in public environments. These jobs don't require deep creativity. They require presence, reliability, and consistency. And those are things machines are becoming very good at. Then there's Tesla. Tesla's humanoid robots have been seen performing simple public tasks like serving popcorn at events. It looks fun. It looks harmless. But think about what that really means. If a robot can safely interact with people, follow instructions, and work continuously, it's already capable of replacing thousands of entry-level service roles. Not all at once, but gradually. And it doesn't stop there. Even physical performance jobs are being touched by robotics. At Avengers Campus, Disney unveiled a robotic Spider-Man that launches over 25 meters, performs aerial flips, adjusts itself mid-flight, and lands perfectly every single time. No fear, no hesitation, no injury risk. So an uncomfortable question starts to emerge. Are stuntmen's jobs gone too? Not today. But parts of those jobs, the dangerous, repeatable, high-risk parts, are already being handed over to machines. This is the pattern you need to understand. Jobs aren't disappearing overnight. Tasks are. And humanoid robots are learning human tasks faster than we expected. The reason humanoid robots matter so much is simple. They fit into our world. They use our tools. They walk in our buildings. They work in spaces designed for human bodies. Companies don't need to redesign everything. They just replace who's doing the work. Now, is this good or bad? The truth is, it's both. Humanoid robots reduce workplace injuries. They increase productivity. They fill labor gaps where humans are no longer available. But at the same time, low-skill and repetitive jobs are becoming vulnerable. And the pressure to res-kill is growing fast. The future isn't humans versus robots. It's humans supervising, managing, and working alongside machines. One person overseeing multiple humanoid robots. Hybrid workplaces where physical labor shifts away from people. Humanoid robots aren't coming someday. They're already here, quietly, efficiently, and without asking permission. The real question isn't whether robots can do these jobs. The question is whether we're prepared for how fast this transition is happening. If you want to stay ahead of this shift and understand what humanoid robots are really doing in the real world, subscribe to the channel. Because this isn't the future anymore. It's the present.